Oh, let's go. Sit in the backseat. No, 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 no. This is my first video. I'm going to teach you how to draw an emoji. Now cut. So make a big smile right here. So then make a straight line here. Make a straight line, then a shape of a triangle, then go straight again. Then color it in all black. Then make a square but with the sides smooth. So make a square on the left side, but the corners smooth. So make a shape of a square, but it's half on the top. Then color it in all black. Then make a square on the right side, and the corners all smooth. So on the left side, go straight up, then curve down, then connect it back up. Then do it all over again on the right side. So make a curve up and go back down like an ocean wave. Now make another one, but smaller. Make it like a small ocean wave over a big ocean wave. Now stop. So make a curve going down, then stop. Then make a giant circle for its head. So make a straight line down, then curve up. Do the same thing on the other side now. Now make a little half circle like a pizza layer. Then do a straight line by an ocean wave. Go straight down, then go back up, and do the same thing on the other side. So, see you next time on my next video. So, bye. See you later.